Okay, so what I have here today are Vibrant Stereo Earbuds plus mic. Built-in mic to answer calls, has a 3.5 jack, in-ear noise isolation, and I got the red ones. I saw red and black, black and black, and white and black. It's got a flat cable, which I'm about to show you is not the best looking flat cable in the world. Got my iPad to test the audio quality. I got these from HEB grocery store for $4.97, and they are, if it will focus, the camera may not focus on this item, VB-SHF1RD. RD probably stands for red. So inside here, of course, you get the headphones, which were not packed in that great. The wire is all twisted and retarded. Came twisted in the twisty tie, and you get two extra sets of rubber pieces. I forget what they're called off the top of my head. Here are the headphones themselves. This cable is very thin. As you can see, it's twisted right here, and it's the kind of rubber that, man, my camera's not focusing. It's wanting to focus on the background. Let's try to get that away. It's kind of like, it's not the good rubber. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to like like make it like a straight cable like you see. And then the two pieces are just kind of like these are both of the headphone pieces right here. They go in here, and that's it. Alright, interrupted by my kid. So anyway, like I was saying, the two cable pieces go in here, and they just kind of stay. Wow, this is not focusing. I'm sorry, guys, this is not focusing that well. They stay. You can see they're two separate pieces in here. There it goes. But it's still kind of stuck together. So it's not, why is it trying to focus on my blanket? This is annoying. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, I'm not going to be able to test the mic right now, but let's just pretend it works. I'm more concerned about the audio quality. So I'm going to stick... Okay, so I forgot to say, they got big R and L, which is really nice because my normal earbuds that I use, I have Skull Candy and Apple. I'm sorry, Beats. Apple. Apple owns Beats, but, you know, it's really hard to see the letters. So let's pump up some jams here. And the first thing I'm going to try is... do some 21 Pilots and see how the bass is. So, let's see. Stressed Out has some good bass. Oh no. It feels like I have my head underwater. No. I don't know how to explain it. Muffled a little bit, maybe underwater. Not enough highs at all. There's a lot of mid and low. Let me turn it up. That's painful. Oh, that's painful. It's a little tinny. The bass is alright though. The bass is decent. So let's try something else here. Oops. Let's try something else. Let's see. Let's try some Metallica here. Let's see. Sad but true. That's some good drums. Oh. No. This is... I tell you what, do not buy these. I don't even know if I'd buy them for like a kid that just needs it for their tablet. I would say spend an extra $5 to get what I have are a Skull Candy Jib. They're like, sometimes they're like $8, but usually they're $10. They sound really good. They don't have a mic. They're just, you know, headphones, and they're really good. And these are not that great. No. These are going to cause a headache. Let me see if I can... I don't know if I'm going to be able to play these because they were on Apple Music. Yeah, I canceled my Apple Music subscription because I don't need it. Let's see. Let's try. Let's see here. Do I have any like rap? Alice in Chains. Oh, got a lot of Alice in Chains here. I gotta have something. You'd think I would have like set this up a lot better, but that's not how I roll. I just go off the fly. Let's see. All right, Strike It Up. That's like from Jock Jams or something. So the problem is the bass is good, the mids are all right. There's just no high. There's no. It'll give you a headache more than anything. So I would say no. Let's not do that. All right. So my official position is I bought these for $5 just to see how they sound. They look cool to me. I like the big letters on the earbuds, but man, these are, you get what you pay for. All right, they're $5. They sound like $5. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and if you need a pair of cheap headphones, get the Skull Candy Jib for $10. Or even, there's some Panasonics on eBay. I forget the name of them, but they're white. They're like $10. They're really good. They're comparable to the Skull Candy. And they even do a little bit better with knowing which one goes in the ear without looking at it, because the way they're shaped. You can kind of memorize how they're shaped and which one's supposed to go in each ear. So, alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Man, this autofocus is terrible.